My name is Miley. I'm so stylish.
Saw her yesterday, and I never felt a feeling like the one I felt today. And now she's taking over me. I've never met anyone like you, 'cause I never could find the words to write you. She's been on my mind. She's working overtime. She's got perfect reasons, says she loves to talk to Jesus. I think I believe her when she says life can be so simple if we'd all just learn to pray. She's got every little thing I wanted, and it still feels just like the day is starting. So say goodbye to the broken hearted, and I could never express the way I felt before tonight. She's not an ordinary girl, seen in her eyes, just an ordinary boy. God must have heard my prayers last night.
Anyways, moving on. You're gonna start crying! Start crying! Hold in the Leviticus. Do you want to update us on the Indian race?
Oh yes, it's there is.
Yeah.